What is an income statement? An income statement is one of the three major financial statements that a business produces to provide a summarization of all business activity during the reporting period. A reporting period is a specified period of time, such as a calendar year or a quarter of the year. The income statement focuses on the performance of transactions during the year, including revenues earned and expenses incurred. The remainder after expenses are subtracted out of the revenues is called profit. To learn more about this topic and many others through audio lectures, video lectures, and study guides, head over to www.thelearningbeanonline.com. Link is in the description below. If you have any questions, add them in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe so we know to answer more of your questions.